As the female reproductive system develops, the metanephric kidneys will ascend from their pelvic position to the abdominal position. The mesonephric kidneys will degenerate, as will the mesonephric ducts, which form the Wolffian ducts in males. These degenerate in females. The Mullerian ducts, or the paramesonephric ducts, will be retained in females and will form the oviduct, the uterus, and the upper portion of the vagina. The uterus and the vagina will form as the fusion of paired tubes. The urinary system is the anterior system in the female pelvis, the reproductive system is the middle system, and the colon of the digestive system is posterior.